Assalamualaikum. My name is Louisa Najib Wanifa. Today, I want to present on the current issues that happen locally and internationally. I have chosen Juris Tech Company as they have provided artificial intelligence in their services. So, let me explain a little bit about their company and their services.
So, what is Juris Technologies actually? Let me explain a little bit about their background. Juris Tech, or more familiar as Juris Technologies Sdn Bhd, is a Malaysian financial technology company that located in Malaysia. They provide their services mostly for the bank in Malaysia. They are experts in predictive artificial intelligence, debt collection software, loan origination management, credit scoring solution, plus conveyancing and loan documentation system. They started their business in 1997 during the ASEAN financial crisis. Before this, they only offering data mining and analytical tools, but they changed their services to credit management and litigation software. So, let me introduce to you the top management involved in the Juris Tech company. The first one is Si Wah Hun. She is CEO and co-founder of Juris Tech company. The second one is John Lim. He is a founder of Juris and a designer of their software system. The third one is Naman Lee. He is Chief Operating Officer and involved in overseeing the project, competency building, and recruitment. And last but not least is Kiarash. He is Chief Innovation Officer. He involved in innovation at all levels in the organizations. So, what Juris actually do in their business? Juris Technology have involved in two main activities in their business. The first one is digital transformation, and the second one is process automations. What is digital transformation? Digital transformation where the existing product or services they try to invent to make it simple and faster in their process. This is the product under digital transformation, which is Juris Origination, Juris Access, Juris Minecraft, and Juris Credit. So, what is process automation? As beyond of the technology, consumer want everything done in a short time. So, Juris try to come out with efficient services by providing solution to the customer in reducing their time in creating their product. This is the product under the process automations, which is Juris Dropman, Juris Astra, Juris Analyst, Juris Credit, Juris Legal, Juris Collect, and Juris Originations. These are the system solutions under digital transformation. The first one is Juris Origination. Juris Origination consists a loan, financing, and insurance origination system that simplify the approval systems. This means Juris Origination shorten the customer time in dealing with taking loan, getting financing for the business, and others. Moreover, their system integrated with external rating system like Cycris and CITOS. This shows the company ability in checking the background of the user if they have involved in the loan or any other debt obligation. Last but not least, this system supports end-to-end product with multi-aspect. It consists data input, screening, approval process, and others. Next one is Juris Minecraft. Juris Minecraft is an artificial intelligence that uses data mining and machine learning. It used to make explainable for the person who have credit history. Next is provide early warning to the individual who lead to non-performing loan. This will help the customers as a reminder for them to be smart in dealing with their expenses. The result will be generated to report for the better understanding. The next one is it can be used to calculate the tendency of the customer buying based on the past behavior. As combining the power of the business expertise and statistical measures, Juris Minecraft has proven to be precise and accurate in scoring the customer creditworthiness, propensity to buy, and ability to identify digital marketing strategies that are most likely to generate conversion. And And last but not least, the system manages the balancing act between the profit and risk in efficient and effective ways. There will be no longer to rely on unspotted judgment calls. The customer also can boot it as it created to transparent to guarantee the effortless process of auditing. The next one is Juris Access. Juris Access is known as digital customer engagement platform where the customer can apply loan at any time and anywhere. Juris Access also receive a new application for various products to the multiple channel where they process it in a real time and the customer will get the return in a short time. Moreover, as the Juris Access is entirely web-based and mobile responsive, the customer can easily access with their own mobile device. It has been supported with other Juris solution and existing system. The next one is Juris Credit. Juris Credit is a software that has the ability to connect a bank user with a law firm and valuers within a single cohesive ecosystem. This applies for those who are facing missing in mortgage application and slow turnaround. Furthermore, they will help the financial institution accelerate their loan administration process by eliminate the delay and reduce the cost. With Juris, their costs especially involve operating and resources will be reduced. The next one is Juris Legal. Juris Legal is the most popular legal software solution in Malaysia that link lawyers and their customers. This can be proved about 100 legal firms use these solutions. The next one is it able to stand-alone solution that can work with external collection and host system. It designed to manage efficient and effectively all legal firms across the country. Last but not least, it can be installed at both customer sites and solicitor sites. This is based on online where the customer can easily monitor the progress of their legal cases through the online. The next one is Juris Collect. Juris Collect is known as end-to-end debt management and collection enterprise system. It helps them in collect the debt and identify the non-performing loan, which up to 96% accuracy. The next one is they're able to collaborative multi-touchpoint technology. They're able to reach the customer by fax, SMS, email or letter. Last but not least, they're able to plan the customer collection process. This will help the customer to get revenue back from the collection of the debt. Next is Juris Astra. Juris Astra is a complete call center solution for inbound and outbound contact center. It helps the customer to reach the management in order if they have curiosity to ask about something related to the financial solution. Next is Juris Analyst. Juris Analyst is able to stimulate, evaluate and forecast for the customer financial health and repayment ability. This intelligent financial evaluation analyzes the company financial position over the period. In other words, it helps to evaluate the customer whether they are able to pay in a certain time. Last but not least is Juris.man. Juris.man involved in document management system. As we know, nowadays digital document is a most safer to save the document. Document can be indexed and retrieved in many different ways. After enter in a document, user can add document in a favorite list and always got access to the latest document that have been retrieved. For the analysis, as we can see, Juris Technology provide many services toward their user. Their services is to reduce the time for the user to wait for their product. They are also able to detect the customer credit scoring, which can know whether the customer ability in paying the loan. Finally, Juris are able to provide efficient and effective services that beneficial for their users.
Financial transactions done through simple conversations. Imagine banking systems that can verify your identity, evaluate your assets, and instantly let you know if you are eligible for a loan. Imagine a system that can predict future needs for funds and make recommendations. Imagine if this already existed. It's all happening now at Juristech.